I'm going to be using this Brazil wool hair. Okay, so I just went ahead and I cut, the wool to my desired length. So right about now, I'm just combing it just to, make it smooth and easy to work with. So I'm using my wide tooth comb to comb the hair, just like you can see in the video. You also want to hold the hair firm so that you don't, lose too much hair while combing. So this is what I'm doing. Okay, so hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yana Tungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. I started crocheting around the perimeter of my hair. Okay, so right about now I'm just installing the hair, and I'm starting with the back parts of my hair. Okay, so the most I can keep this hair is up to like 2 weeks. Okay, because I feel like first of all, this hair is very affordable. So it's retailing between 100 to 150 Kenya shillings. So for me, I feel like it's very affordable, and also you can just treat it the same way you'll treat your natural hair. Okay, so if you're that person who doesn't like combing hair every day, then this hair may not be might not sit well with you, because you'll have to like comb it every day when you wake up before you go. Maybe you're going to work or something, or school, that is, so you'll need to comb this hair. So if you're that person who is too lazy to comb hair, then it will be kind of hard or difficult to maintain this hair. But all in all, if you want to take breaks from doing twists or braids or anything, you can just have this crochet hair, because it is also protective hairstyle. As you guys are seeing, we have lines in between, so I did this contour, so it literally protects your hair and generally your hairline, okay, from breaking, from too much manipulation and stuff like that. So guys, installing this hair is pretty much simple. You can just do it at the comfort of your home. Okay, so the one thing that you'll need to have is your crochet hook or your crochet pin, whichever way you want to call it, really. Okay, so you want to pass it through your cornrow. So you want to take your crochet pin, pass it into your cornrow, attach the hair, and then you're going to close the hook. Then once you've done that, you're just going to pull your crochet hair, and for me, I'm going to like secure it 2 times. So that is just okay. You don't have to go like multiple times. You can just do 1-2 times at most, is perfectly fine. Okay, so I want again to remind you to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. If you're just bumping onto this channel for the very first time, I do create hair content. So if you enjoy watching hair tutorials, please be sure to subscribe. Stick around for this and many more hair tutorials. For the front part of your hair, you want to crochet different. So different to simply mean that now you don't want to be crocheting 2 big pieces of hair, because it won't look seamless, and you don't want again the knots to like be seen, because it will make your hair look bumpy at the front part. Okay, so you want to be taking in smaller pieces of the of the extension, and also you want to crochet the hair very close to each other. Okay, so you want to, like I said, you want to have that seamless look, that seamless finish. So make your pieces of the extension to appear smaller than the ones you use at the back part of your hair, which now you want to be using the invisible, or rather you want to be doing the invisible method. Okay, so whereby after passing your crochet needle through your cornrow, okay, when you'll be knotting the hair, you just want to take one piece of the extension, okay, just like so, and then you're going to pull it so that when you're going to flip the hair on the other side, it will cover your cornrow. Okay, so you guys, I'm hoping that you guys are able to see exactly what I mean. So you don't want your cornrows again to be seen, you want your hair to look seamless. So you'll be doing the invisible method, whereby you'll be knotting only one strand of the extension. Okay, you also want to have that illusion that this is like your natural hair. So this is the way to go, very easy. I'm really hoping that you guys are able to see and understand exactly what I'm doing. And please let me know in the comment section if you're going to give it a try. And again, if you have any questions regarding this hair, and like I told you earlier, the most I can have this hair is up to like 2 weeks, okay, at most, okay, 3 weeks, but 2 weeks just perfectly fine. Another important thing that I forgot to mention is that when doing your cornrows, please don't make them too tight, because you're going to feel some sort of tension, and you don't want that. I mean, it's a protective hairstyle. This hairstyle is meant to protect your hair from breakage, damage, and and so forth and so on. So make your cornrows, or if someone else is like making the cornrows for you, please don't have them make them too tight, that when you'll be crocheting the hair, you're going to experience tension. So you don't want that. So just make the the cornrows loose for the crochet pin to pass seamlessly without necessarily having to damage your scalp. So guys, right about now I'm just teasing my hair, okay, the front part of it to be specific. So I'm just brushing it, just like you can see in the video, just to simply have it look more natural, if that makes sense. Once I'm done, I'll just go ahead and take my white tooth comb and I'll comb the hair into place. Okay, so that is just about today's video. So you can just go ahead and style it whichever way you want. Okay, so this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for keeping me company. Thank you for watching this video till here. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care. You'd always keep me safe, treat me like